This bridal workshop at Dilsukh Nagar, Hyderabad. We have created this three different look for different region today, different region bride, which is like one Telugu bride, Muslim bride, and one Marwari bride, which is highly that the kind of makeup is highly in demand by people, especially in this area. The main attraction of this workshop was to introduce airbrush makeup. Airbrush makeup is a advanced new technology of makeup application, which is it is a spray makeup which spray directly on skin without using any brush or any other object, sponges, any other object, because it is a very lightweight makeup. Therefore, it stays on skin at least most 24 hours. Airbrush makeup, as it is a lightweight makeup, so it gives maximum coverage to your skin, and skin looks very natural and smooth. Since it is a summer season in Hyderabad, you can see like next month we have May month, we have lot of brides. So it was highly in demand by all the bride that they just want to go with very natural, no cream makeup, no like heavy makeup traces on their base, because if you see like South Indian bridal rituals are very long hours rituals where like bride has to sit with lot of jewelry, heavy trousseau in front of so many people. So that becomes for bride, that becomes little unbearable for bride, and also like makeup starts melting after some time. So that is the reason we have introduced this airbrush makeup, because it is a lightweight makeup, high definition lightweight makeup. It does not make your skin look sticky. At the same time, you don't have to put layers of product on top of it. So another thing, when I said it's a high definition, nowadays if you see that global technology is high definition, whether it is television or maybe screen, big screen, small screen, camera, photography camera. So technology is high definition, which gives you very clear picture clarity. So makeup artists need to equip themselves along with these kind of technology. So airbrush makeup is a lightweight, high definition makeup, which goes very well with this technology, leaving no traces, no extra marks of makeup, no fine lines on your skin, and gives you very natural and smooth and porcelain finish, which I think which is like great blessings for all brides, especially for summer season. For wedding season, the best part is like I know having a bridal makeup is one of a very important part of bridals. It's your big day. But apart from that, I would suggest all the brides to take care of their skin naturally, because the skin care is most important before having a nice makeup. Makeup can hide your flaws, but having a good skin is always better, is always what every woman want. So taking care is very important. I have seen a lot of discoloration because skin is not being taken care properly. So cleansing, toning, moisturizing, sunscreen is very important. I know it's a humid weather, lot of sweatings, skin doesn't allow to absorb any product, but no matter, there are different kinds of products in market which suits for your skin type. And it's very important, you need to come to a salon. If you come to a Lakme salon, you'll get a professional consultation about your skin type, skin condition, and what is your skin required. So take professionals advice to have a good skin, good glowing skin. So therefore that makeup effect looks best on, it is or I would say, being a makeup artist, that like glowing skin and flawless skin is a perfect canvas for a makeup artist. In summer season, people usually avoid to use any product. The moment they use any product like this, they have a complaint that the product makes their skin look sticky. Nowadays, like there are lot of products which has serum. Serum is a water based product, does not contain any oil in it, and highly concentrated, so it has more benefit than moisturizer. So you can go with the serums. Use of serums are very good. There are very lightweight Lakme day moisturizing cream, which is gel and water based. And not only moisturizer, the most important thing is use sunscreen. Also, like for summer, using sunscreen is very important, because if you see, the sun is very harsh, especially in south side, sun is very harsh. You can see like I am also sweating. So sun is very harsh, and that in that weather, it is very important to use product which suit your skin type. So you can go with the water based or gel based product. So sunscreen, use of sunscreen is very important, because it acts like a barrier. It works like a barrier between your skin and sun, so which you so maybe like, because after that damage of skin can be a very less if you use regular sunscreen.